Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to cover a video which is on mean. So first of all, let's understand what do you mean by mean. So it is basically the average number found by adding all data points and dividing by number of data points. So suppose you have 5 data points. So you have to add that 5 data points and then divide by 5. So that will give you mean. Let's consider the example of it. We have over here one table which is payments data interview. So in this table you can see we have the first set which is for Android and then we have for iOS. So if you have to consider the mean for Android, what will you do? You will sum up these entries for Android. How many entries are there? 5 entries. So we will just sum that up and divide by 5. So here is the example, 1.99 plus 29.99 plus 4.99 plus 19.99 plus 4.99. Now these 5 data points we have added over here. Now what is the next step? We have to divide by 5. So this will give you the mean for Android. Now what is the next step? We have to consider for iOS. So what we have to do? We have to add this 6 data points. Okay, so here I have considered that I have added that 6 data points and we have to divide by now by which number? The count of this, right? What is the count? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have to divide it by 6. So if you generate the average value or the mean value over here, you will get it as 12.39 and 15.32. So now let's understand how we can write a SQL query that will give us the same output. So here is the query. So you are going to take over here the advantage of group by clause. Now group by we have to perform on platform. So for example, first is Android. So all data points related to Android will be summed up if you use group by platform. So what will happen? First step is sum of data points will be done. Then the second step would be to divide by the count of data points. Now what is the count of data points? It is count 1. It is given by count 1. So since we have used over here group by, we are using 2 aggregate functions. What are that? First is sum and second is count. So sum will give you sum of all the data points for this platform and count will give you the count of data points. So first will come as Android and second will come as iOS. So this is how you generate the mean. You first group by platform and then perform a sum on that and followed by performing a division by count. So this will give you the desired output for mean.
So I hope you would have liked this video. So if you want me to make a video on any particular topic, just write that in the description box. And please like this video and do subscribe this channel. Thank you.